I need 42 inches. So I put on one piece. I measure 42 inches. I can basically go to the other side and I could cut a 1/4 inch and that would make that perfectly level. I'm leaving it happy the way it is. I'll build a little bit of cement up there to lock it into place. I'm happy without using a level. It's got a nice little pitch, and I am going to go get my polycarbon or awning material. It's not going to come off because I tied string, and all I got to do now is just make a little L bracket right here. Put a piece of wood and a piece of wood up, and that will secure that into place. That is how you make a PVC awning the unconventional way.